Hello students, in today's class we'll see the derivation for settling time. Okay, so what is settling time? How do you define a settling time? Settling time is nothing but the time taken to reach and stay within plus or minus 2% of the final value, right? So settling time is nothing but, right? So there is some tolerance band, say plus or minus 2%. Okay, so when the response C of t reaches and stay within this tolerance band, then that particular time instant is called as settling time. Okay, so we know that the response for a second order underdamped system is given by 1 minus e power minus zeta omega n t by root of 1 minus zeta square into sine of omega d t plus phi. Okay, so we can see that when the system settles, okay, this sinusoidal part almost is not there, right? And this exponential part alone will be there. So in the response we have two parts. One is the sinusoidal part and the other one is the exponential part. So when the oscillations or when the response settles, the sinusoidal part decreases and it is predominated by exponential part, right? So for finding the settling time, we'll use the C of t expression as for finding settling time. Okay, we'll use C of t as 1 minus e power minus zeta omega n. T is replaced by Ts. Okay, divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. Okay, right. Now, we have claimed that the tolerance band is 2%, right? So, 2% means the starting value, okay, it minimum it will be 0.98, right? 0.98, if it lies between 0.98 and 1.02, then it is plus or minus 2% of the final value 1, right? So, let us assume that it is 0.98. Okay, so what happens? This is equal to 0.98. So we leave this e power minus zeta omega n Ts by root of 1 minus zeta square is equal to 0.02. Am I right? 0.98 minus 1, it is minus 0.02, both sides minus, so we have e power minus zeta omega n Ts by root of 1 minus zeta square is nothing but 0.02. Okay, now see, actually this damping ratio zeta for an underdamped system is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, and it is a small value, and when you square that small value, it is almost negligible one, right? So since zeta is a small value, okay, so this root of 1 minus zeta square need not be considered. So this can be approximated as e power zeta omega n Ts is equal to 0.02. Okay, so now taking ln on both sides, what do we have? Taking ln on both sides. Okay, so what happens? Ln of 0.02. Okay, so when you take ln of 0.02, it comes to around minus 3.91. If you want, you can check it out. Okay, so ln of e power minus zeta omega n Ts is nothing but minus zeta omega n Ts. Okay, and as I told you, ln of 0.02 is nothing but minus 3.91, which is approximately 4. So what happens? zeta omega n Ts is equal to 4, which means Ts is equal to 4 by zeta omega n. Okay. So, this 1 by zeta omega n is called as the time constant for a second order system. So, time constant for a second order system is 1 by zeta omega n. So, Ts is nothing but 4 tau. Okay. When in the case of 2% tolerance band. Similarly, in the case of 5% tolerance band, what happens? I'll write it here. So, 5% tolerance. Okay. So, for 5% tolerance, what you have is e power minus zeta omega n Ts will be equal to, this is approximately. Okay, it is approximated to. So, e power minus zeta omega n Ts by root of 1 minus zeta square will be up here for plus or minus 5% tolerance band. Okay, it may be 0.95. It is 0.95. Okay. So, 1 minus 0.95 is nothing but 0.05. So, e power minus zeta omega n Ts by root of 1 minus zeta square will be 0.05. Okay. So, 0.05. So, this will be approximately 0.05, and again taking ln on both sides, what we have is ln of 0.05 is approximately 3. Okay, it is minus 2.99. So, what happens? Zeta omega n Ts will be approximately 3, and this Ts will be 3 by zeta omega n, or in other words it is 3 tau. Am I right? It will be same as this. So, minus zeta omega n Ts will be ln of 0.05, okay, which is nothing but approximately approximately 3. So, zeta omega n Ts is approximately C. So, Ts is nothing but 3 tau. So, in the case of 2% tolerance band, settling time is 4 by zeta omega n, and in the case of 5% tolerance band, it is Ts is 3 by zeta omega n. Okay. So, whenever you are asked to find out the settling time for a system, you must know what is the tolerance band that is specified. Okay. So, what tolerance band is given? So, if 2% is given, plus or minus 2%, then it is 4 tau. If plus or minus 5% is given, it is 3 tau.